In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bottom menu in Shopify like big brands. We'll start inside your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand side and find the content section. Click on it and you'll see more options appear underneath. From there, select menus. This is where all of your navigation menus live. You'll probably see things like your main menu and your footer menu. If you want to create something completely new, click Create menu in the top right corner. If you'd rather build on what you already have, you can simply click on your existing footer menu to edit it. Inside the menu editor, click Add Menu Item. Two fields will appear, one for the label and one for the link. The label is the text your customers will see at the bottom of your store. For example, type About Us as the label. Then click in the link field below. A list of options will appear. Choose Pages, then select your About Us page. Once that's selected, click the check icon next to the link field to confirm and add this menu item. Repeat that process to add more links. Click Add Menu Item again, and this time you might label it Contact. Click the link field, choose Pages, and select your contact page. Confirm it with the check icon. Continue adding all the important links you want in your footer, like your privacy policy, terms of service, or shipping and returns information. These links are what customers expect to see in a professional, big brand style footer. If you want to create nested items, like sublinks under a main heading, hover over the two vertical dots on the left side of a menu item. Click and drag that item underneath the main item you want it to sit under, and then move it slightly to the right until you see a blue indented line. Release it, and it becomes a nested link. To move it back to the main level, drag it down and to the left until the blue line aligns with the other main items. When you are happy with your footer structure, click Save, either at the bottom right or near the top beside the search bar. Now let's connect this menu to your live store. In the left panel, click Online Store. At the top, you'll see your current theme. On its right side, click Edit Theme and wait for the theme editor to load. Once it's open, look again at the left panel and find your footer section. Click the arrow beside it to expand the blocks under the footer. Click Add, then choose Menu from the list. You can drag and drop this block to rearrange its position within the footer. Next, click on the menu block itself to open its settings. Near the top, you'll see an option labeled Menu with either a drop-down or a select button beside it. If there's already a menu connected, click the drop-down, choose Replace, and then select your new or updated footer menu. If nothing is connected yet, simply click Select and choose your footer menu from the list. Look at the preview on the right side. You should now see your new bottom menu displayed, similar to what large brands use. Depending on your theme, you can adjust styling options like alignment, font sizes, or spacing to better match your brand. When everything looks the way you want, don't forget to click Save in the top right corner. Your Shopify store now has a clean, professional bottom menu that helps customers quickly find key information, just like the big brands.